In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online on the Ethiopian Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this process through the Ethiopian Airlines mobile app. All you have to do is download and update the app to its latest version, and when you open it up and sign in using your credentials, you will be able to select Check In from the main menu. When you click Check In, switch over to any flight, and as you can see, you will have to go through the check-in eligibility. Choose between the reference number or the ticket and include the necessary information to find your flight. When you continue, you should see a list of all the passengers. Click on every passenger that is going to check in and then select Continue. The first thing that you have to agree with is that you are not carrying any hazardous material and if you want any extra services. So click skip if you don't want extra services, or just go to seat and extra services if you wish to finish setting up your check-in. In there you will be able to select the seat and add services as necessary. Go through the process and you will have an interactive display where you can click on which seat number you wish to acquire. Once you include the seats and any additional services, you will have to confirm your information by presenting your passport and any other documents as necessary. And once everything is filled up and okay, you will get a confirmation prompt that allows you to check in and see your boarding pass. With this boarding pass in hand, you will be able to board the plane. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in online on the Ethiopian Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.